switch. This is all your fault. You made us lose now. I'm sorry. You know I could have almost braked because I hit that brick wall. You mean that brick surface? Yeah. Hey, I'm just saying, we're gonna be at the final 16 this episode. Let's just go to the elimination area. Come on. Hey! You're gonna get copyright again. Fine, I'll play a little bit by seconds. But I'm changing it to the Angry Birds, so it doesn't even matter. What the is that? Oh, this is for something else. This is all of your names on here. What the hell? But if you have a name longer, then yeah, it just says that. So can we get on with it? Yeah. Come on, I can't be eliminated. This is my first time being up for elimination. I did absolutely nothing wrong. I don't know what I did. I just freaking rolled off the little brick surface or whatever you want to call it. Guys, please don't vote me. I did nothing wrong. Then why did 3 people only vote? Oh, come on! Fortnite Battle Pack. And this is extra marker. Oh, I just lost my cap. Dang it. Why did I have to get out again? Why do I keep getting out like in the 10s? I get out the 10th? Whatever. See you later. Oh yeah, we have a rejoiner today. Mario Strikers Battle League rejoins. I do? I rejoin? Yeah, get in there. It's so glad to be back after getting the first one out. Yada yada. Hey. Why does everyone keep yelling, please? Now, Mario Strikers Battle League. I want you to choose which team you want to be on for today. Wait, what? What do you mean today? I have to be here for a while. Which team lost first? Us? Mario Strikers Battle... Okay, no, you're not being on the same team as him. You're being on La House Book's team. Wait. Yeah, it doesn't even matter. I was gonna do who won last challenge, but it was the zombie apocalypse. Oh, hi. Welcome to our team. What's up? Anyways, let me just do this for a second. Alright. Extra marker's gone. Now, we have 17. Now, let's just do this. What are you doing? What are you doing? Shut up. Hey! What's the big idea? Your 10th challenge is cooking. It's a cook-off. You must cook something with any ingredients you want. I'll do 10 minutes. Hey, go back. Stop. Go. No music? Never mind. Yeah. Okay, fine. Bro, okay. What are we supposed to make? I don't know. These nut. Oh! Here, let me do this. I'll do something. Just keep that. We should cook something. No kidding, Sherlock. It's called cook-off for a reason. Don't mess with that. Huh? I think we should make pizza. Yeah, good idea. Wait, no, I want to make mac and cheese. Bro, how is the host gonna like that? How do you not like Kraft mac and cheese? Oh, shut up. For the millionth time, you're gonna get copyright. And for the millionth time, I'm gonna do it slowly. Bro, I thought you said you were gonna play the Angry Birds. I am! Then why are you playing that? Do you want to see the thumbnail? Oh no, I feel like... I'm not trying to be weird. Someone told me to play it. I don't know who though. Maybe later. I have to cook this thing. Oh, here. Bro. They have pizza. Let's just do pasta. It's that good. You like pasta? Who doesn't like pasta? Gosh. Hold on now. Alright guys, I think we should do tacos. It's the best thing we can do, tacos.
Is it fine to do music?
What? Oh yeah, we could do that. We could do tacos. That's good. All right, Mario Strikers Battle League. Since you're new to our team, what would you like to make us? Me? You want me to make it? Yeah, dude. You seem pretty new. I got the first one out. Oh. Well, guys, I have the perfect idea. What is it? I think we should make. Make what? Oh shoot, I gotta think this through. What is it? Fancy mac and cheese. Well, it's better than mac and cheese, so let's get that over with. Who's cooking for you? Oh, me. Man, what should we put on the pizza? Obviously, put pepperonis. Everyone loves pepperonis on their pizza. Yeah, I agree with Switch. Pepperonis are the best. And cheese. Like Switch said. Wait, can you show us the picture you were talking about? I'm not trying to be weird. I'm trying to see what you're talking about. Oh, yeah, right. Great, you just killed Seaboon. I'm not dead. Alright, just keep going with it. How's it going, Mario Strikers Battle League? It's going good. I'm just finishing it up. Oh, it's an eagle! Bro, it's not a real eagle.
It's a very good painting. Very good. Oh, yeah, the assignment was...
Why does he look so depressed? How many minutes do we have left? How the hell do we already have 3 minutes left? Well, you better hurry up because we don't want our team to lose. Oh. Ow. Jesus. Did you have to throw me? Ow. Well, at least nothing could get worse.
Paint your pain, so I painted your pain.
Well, at least nothing could go wrong with the food. Yeah. And then something's gonna happen. Hey, I'm just saying, dude. I mean, yeah, Switch is right. Nothing's gonna happen, Junior. Especially what Switch played yesterday. About you, allergic eating the teacher. Bro, that wasn't me. That was Bully. Come on. Bro, stop trying to speedrun the oven. Come on. Bro, there's only 2 minutes, I mean. Bro, are you good? I'm done. How the... Now we're all good to go.
Oh, damn. I call this one catharsis.
If he barks, I swear. Oh, never mind. Are you serious right now? Okay, I'm done. Oh no, I have to press more seasoning, quick. You better hurry up, please. Come on. Done! It's the ambulance! Bro, that's not the ambulance. So, whoever it chooses first, I want them to go first. You're not gonna do that. Sea Balloon, looks like your team has to go first. We made a pizza? It's with pepperoni and cheese. I gotta think this through. Okay, give me that. Oh yeah, I forgot. Bro, why you eat it like that? Bro, shut up. Please let it be good. Please let it be good. Please let it be good. It's great. I give it a 10 out of 10.
We could really use you right about now.
So who's gonna go next? Bro, you're changing your video for the third time? So yeah, who's gonna go next? Bro, that wasn't me. Bro, who stole basketball? That guy, someone tried to steal basketball. Oh, at least I'm safe, huh? Yardy ha ha. Hey, shut up.
Zero gravity, I don't even know what that means. Oh yeah.
Okay, just ignore his adding to... Who's next? Oh yeah, we just did Switch. Oh wait, no, that's Nintendo Switch controller. And then it's Kyle's team. That means Kitty's is last. Bruh. We made fancy mac and cheese. This better not suck because he just rejoined. Mm-hmm. Well, I'm not gonna make you guys lose. It either has to be Kyle's or Kitty's. Oh no, we're gonna lose now. Please. It's good. Yeah, it's good. Give it a 9.5. 9.5? Not, why not 10? Because, too much seasoning. How did you not dot? Well, since it chose Kyle next, looks like Kyle's team is next. We made tacos, right? Yeah. Yeah, we made tacos. Is it hard shell or soft shell? Hard. Ow! I hate hard shell tacos. What the heck? No, seriously, who burped? Remember, we went through this like in season 8, episode 25? One could imagine. And you guys are last. Pasta. Is that all you have to say? Pasta. Stop saying pasta. Pasta. Should you keep saying that? I give you guys a 10 out of 10, by the way. Good, very good pasta. Now, I'm gonna choose someone random. And if they did good at the challenge, okay, I'll give you guys points based how you guys did on the challenge. Okay. Baseball. What? Did you help your team? Yeah. Brrr. I know Switch did, so I'm gonna give Switch one too. How did Switch help? I just saw him help, so I guess he was helping, so. No! Anyways, Mario Strikers Battle League, you did good. So you get 1, 2. Are you serious? 3. Stop giving Mario Strikers Battle League. Okay. How about think, pair, share? No, we're not doing that. Okay, guys, discuss this question. We're not discussing that. Get that out of here. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyways, how do we remove Expo Marker? He's dead. How about we make group? No, just get. Who lost? It's Kyle's team. Kyle lost. What do you mean I lost? Your team lost. Oh my gosh. Kitty, do you know about this 25? Yeah, I heard the burping in that, yeah. I know who it is, but I don't want to say it. Wait, but we just told that last viewers, vote which four, want these four to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show and be 17th again. That will be at the final 16 again. Why do you say again twice? So would you stop? What? I'm telling you. Someone's telling me to play this. Not me. I swear. I'm not disgusting. Disgusting? Now, I'm gonna put you guys, no, you're not putting us into groups. Do that next time. Oh, no microphone, okay. Interruption, guys. We had a really big sneeze. Can we just end this episode? No. We need something to scream with or do something cringe. Yeah, you haven't been here in a while. Let me just... Okay, I got something. What? Who cooked game controller? Yeah. You did. Highlighter did it, so... Kyle did it, so... And Mario Striker's Battle League. Oh yeah, I already gave him one. Lados book was kind to Mario Striker's Battle League. Yay! Baseball. Did I give you one? Yeah, you did. Why not? Oh, thank God. Why did I not get one? You know what, Junior? What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you... Mean? What? How am I mean? No! Joe! No! Stop! No, don't do that. Dude, if you... Don't do this to me. Bro, how are you gonna do that? Oh, yeah. Yeah, now we can end this episode already. Thank you. I want to go to sleep. I'm tired. Dude, we're not showing that due to budget cuts. You're not announcer from BFDI. Hey! Shut up. Can we end this episode? Why do you guys keep saying that? We're tired of this 20-minute videos, man. Just get it over with. Should I skip the 32? Better not be worse. Stop. How about 44? Can 44 get any worse? No, 44 is not worse. Bro, stop. You're gonna make this worse for us. How about 54? Yeah. 54 is not worse. What are you doing? How about 105? It's just a thunderstorm. Yeah, we get it. How about 150? Bro, stop skipping 10 seconds ahead. 1 minute 26? Don't do it. Oh, thank God it skipped it. Hey! You better go back to that right now. No. No. Junior. What? You're doing this again. Bro, stop doing that to me. You're literally saying no to him. Do it to Switch. Fine. Because he keeps trying to play stuff. What? That counts? Yeah. Wow, you are such a little piece of crap. Great, it's 20 minutes. I know how to make you all scream. No. Don't do it. If you do it, I'm gonna... No. Can someone throw a switch again? Hey. Highlighter, no. Highlighter, please. We could talk about this. Highlighter. No, highlighter, please. No, please. Don't throw me. That's it. No. Any last words before I push you off? Oh. I got a last word for you. What is it? Since you're about to break an electronic, what do you? Hey, no. Where's the dark? Can't see. Highlighter. Let me turn this. Highlighter, since you think this is funny, I have yeah, I'm gonna do this to you. So you try to throw me down the stairs. No!